How hilarious is this? A German Shepherd Lab mix eating, or should say licking, the lollipop off my mother's hand while my dad's actually shredding up his lettuce.
I think he's a freaking samurai.
That's my father. And this is my mother. Say hi, Mom. And this is my dog. This is Siren.
No, get that right. That's my dog. Thank you.
Get it right still.
When she pays bills, feeds him, gets up in the morning, takes him out, and gives him his pill. Then you can call it her dog.
Hey, I gave him his pill this morning.
Woohoo!
Get it right still. My dog.
Yeah.
Well, actually, it's our.
Remember,
our.
You're at the bottom of the pack, bitch.
It's our dog, the family
it's
dog.
It's ours when he fucking does something bad. He's mine, right? Or he needs to be paid for. It's mine.
He's actually the
When he's
family.
good, it's my dog.
It's the family dog, actually, but he was originally my Christmas present. But until that, he been glued to my father here and my mother. So he's he loves lollipops. He will eat anything. Hey, Siren, where's the fire truck?
Are the fire trucks here? Where's the fire truck?
Where's the fire truck?
Hey, let's make a fire truck noise, okay? I like it. I don't enjoy it. Man, that lollipop was sweet.
So, Ma,
What?
tell everybody about yourself.
I'm 39 years old. I'm not her mother. I'm the babysitter. Her mother went bar hopping, so I don't know what she tries to tell you, but that's besides the point. You know? So, and as far as the guy who thinks he's a sumo wrestler, I'm just his mistress, you know.
Oh!
I'm a living maid, you know.
Ouch, Dad, that's kind of burn.
Mistress? No, that's a good thing. That keeps
Oh.
you young and vigorous and ambition. That means you can cheat like a motherfucker.
Oh! Ouch!
I'm on his behalf, not on his. I'm mistress.
Siren, what do you say about that? Mimi picking on Papa?
Mimi, never cheat on Papa. Mimi, love Papa. Can I love Papa? Can I love Papa? Oh, I'm sorry. I can't love Papa.
Get her!
I
love you!
I
I love you!
love you.
I love you!
I love you. No, that's too high. That's too high. You're going too long on that. Yeah, I love you.
I love you!
Can I love Papa? Can I love your Papa?
The only thing I couldn't find was the tomatoes.
The little cherry tomatoes are in a bowl with a big lid, and there's also some ones that are already pre-cut up.
I love
I
you!
took them all last
All
night.
right, those red
The
ones
night
in there.
before.
I love you! I love you!
Can I love Papa? Can I love Papa?
Can I love Mimi?
Can I love Papa?
Can I love Mimi?
No, because Papa's going to give me something he got. Can I love Mimi? No?
No. What Papa got?
Good or,
What Papa got?
okay.
Siren, what Papa
I don't
got?
know if I can cut. I cut them.
What Papa got?
Want a knife?
Does Papa got food?
Mark? You want a knife to cut them?
Does Papa got food?
This is a knife I use when I cut tomatoes. You want to use this one? Or the cucumbers, if you want to use this one, just cut them in half.
No.
Okay.
Siren, what are you doing?
I'm waiting for Papa to give me something. So shut up, leave me alone. I'm concentrating. I'm acting like a good boy.
You a good boy?
There's food involved, bitch. Leave me alone.
Siren.
See? You're talking to Papa. Tell him.
Tell Papa.
Tell him.
Tell
Tell him.
him. Say it.
White cucumber.
Speak.
Stupid dog.
Speak. Speak, Siren. Speak. Tell him.
Tell him. Tell Papa.
Papa don't want. He doesn't have to say it to Papa. Papa will automatically give it to him. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Right,
I
Dad.
got everything is just all set, nice. Yeah, I did. I cut that out too this afternoon.
Daddy and his onions for his salad for work. Dad is my father is the craziest person to actually do anything for like food wise. Think about it.
No, do not give it to
Orange
him.
juice with
Don't
raw.
put your head on that couch, on that chair, acting like I'm
Orange.
She's waiting for
So
the cheese.
orange juice in the morning
You
with
have enough
raw
lettuce in there, Mark?
freaking.
Huh?
You have enough lettuce?
No, I'm not done with the lettuce.
Oh, that's it. You're not done with the lettuce? Okay.
No.
I thought you might like those. You like
Siren,
those.
what are you doing?
Yes, I like it.
Look at his tail.
I like it. And they're shredded too. Mark, I just peeled them.
You, Siren, are you the most
Peeler?
craziest
Yeah.
dog?
Just continue to peel it. I didn't know how many you wanted, so you just. I love peeling.
Oh, jeez, oh Lord.